Hi everyone, today we are going to explain adverbial phrase, but before I explain adverbial phrase, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Well, what is adverbial phrase? Adverbial phrase is a group of words which functions as an adverb. In the light of this definition, we can conclude that an adverbial phrase will be a group of words and that group of words will function like a simple adverb. Is a simple adverb modifies a verb, adjective and another adverb. Just look at these examples. She typed the report quickly. Here in this example, the adverb quickly is used. And let me change it into adverbial. She typed the report with great haste. Here in this example, with great haste is an adverbial phrase. But why it is an adverbial phrase? Therefore, it is an adverbial phrase because it is a group of words and it modifies verb typed. So therefore, it is an adverbial phrase. Another example is she spoke loudly. Here loudly is a simple adverb and it modifies the verb spoke. How did she speak loudly? Well, if I change it into adverbial phrase, so it would be like this. She spoke with a booming voice. Here, with a booming voice is an adverbial phrase because it is more than one word and it functions like an adverb because it modifies the verb spoke. How did she speak? The answer is with a booming voice. Same is the case with this example. She put the box carefully. Here in this example, carefully is a simple adverb because it modifies the verb put. If I ask this question that how did she put the box? So the answer is carefully. So it modifies the verb put. She put the box with great caution. Here, this group of words with great caution is an adverbial phrase because it is a group of words and it functions as an adverb in this sentence. Ask yourself, how did she put the box? The answer is with great caution. The main question is what group of words can be is an adverbial phrase. So you need to remember that a prepositional phrase can also be an adverbial phrase and an infinitive phrase can also be an adverbial phrase. For example, just look at these examples. She exercises to stay healthy. Look at this sentence here. To stay healthy is an infinitive phrase, but here it functions as an adverbial phrase because it modifies the verb exercise. Ask yourself, why does she do exercise? The answer is to stay healthy. So here to stay healthy modifies the verb exercise. He walks slowly to enjoy the scenery. Again ask yourself, why does he walk slowly? The answer is to enjoy the scenery. So here it is an infinitive phrase, but it functions as an adverbial phrase. To study effectively, he uses flashcards. Here a group of words to study effectively is an infinitive phrase, but here it functions as an adverbial phrase. If you get confused, ask yourself again a question. Why does he use flashcards? The answer is to study effectively. And we have also said that a prepositional phrase can also function like an adverbial phrase. So the example is, he waited for me at the coffee shop. Here in this example, at the coffee shop is a prepositional phrase, but here it functions as an adverbial phrase. Ask yourself, where did he wait for me? The answer is at the coffee shop. They play cricket in the ground. Where do they play cricket? The answer is in the ground. So here this group of words is a prepositional phrase, but it functions as an adverbial. There are so many examples like this. The birds flew over the city. Where did the birds fly? Over the city. Here over the city is a prepositional phrase, but here it functions as an adverbial phrase because it modifies the verb flew. Well guys, if you face difficulties in understanding prepositional phrase and an infinitive phrase, so there are separate lectures in my playlist. Watch it and please do not forget like and subscription to my channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.